Want to know a secret about creating real connection and attraction? Imagine having just two simple phrases in your conversational toolbox that can spark curiosity, make someone feel instantly connected, and show that you're someone worth knowing. It's easier than you think, and today I'm going to share these two powerful phrases with you. Phrases that could completely change the way people perceive and respond to you. Whether it's a first meeting, a date, or even just chatting online, the words you use can be incredibly powerful. They don't just convey your thoughts, they reveal your confidence, emotional intelligence, and your ability to connect on a deeper level. In fact, science backs this up. Studies have shown that specific words and phrases can trigger positive emotions, build trust, and strengthen bonds. These words can make people feel understood, valued, and safe, which is essential when creating attraction and connection. So, what are these magical phrases? Here's the thing, they're not dramatic or complicated. They're everyday phrases you might already know, but the way you use them is what makes all the difference. Phrase 1. Tell me. Let's start with this. Tell me. Why is this so effective? Because it shows genuine interest. When you say, tell me, you're inviting the other person to share their thoughts, passions, or feelings. And guess what? Everyone loves to talk about themselves, especially when they feel someone is truly interested. Using this phrase signals that you're there to understand them, not just to talk about yourself. For example, imagine you're on a date and they mention a hobby or experience they love. Instead of replying with, that's cool, try saying, tell me more about that. What do you enjoy most about it? By doing this, you're creating a space where they feel seen, heard, and appreciated. This builds trust and makes them feel comfortable opening up to you. And when someone feels understood, a deeper connection begins to form. Phrase 2, I understand. The second phrase is just as powerful, I understand. Why? Because it makes people feel validated. When you say I understand, you're letting them know that their perspective, emotions, or experience make sense to you. Too often, people jump into offering advice or opinions without taking the time to truly acknowledge someone else's feelings. For example, let's say someone is venting about a stressful situation at work. Instead of jumping in with solutions, you can say, I understand how that could feel overwhelming. I'd probably feel the same way in your position. This simple validation shows empathy and builds emotional trust. Psychologists have found that when people feel understood and validated, it activates oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making them feel closer and more connected to you. Why these phrases work? Here's the psychology behind these phrases. Tell me taps into people's desire to be understood and valued. It encourages them to share more about themselves, creating a sense of importance and appreciation. I understand validates their emotions, showing empathy and reinforcing trust. Together, these two phrases activate powerful emotional responses: dopamine for the pleasure of being heard, and oxytocin for building trust and connection. Real-life examples. Let's see how you can use these phrases in real-life situations. Number 1. On a date, they mention their passion for cooking. Instead of just nodding, say, tell me about your favorite dish to cook. Why do you enjoy making it? This makes them feel like their interests matter to you. Number 2. When they're venting, they talk about a challenge they're facing. Instead of offering quick fixes, say, I understand why that would be frustrating. That sounds tough. This shows empathy and creates a safe space for them to express themselves. Number 3. Combining the two. They share a personal dream or struggle. Say, tell me more about that. What makes it so important to you? Then follow up with, I understand why that means so much to you. That's incredible. This combination is like a 1-2 punch of connection. You're showing interest and validating their emotions, which creates a powerful bond. A small change, a big impact. When you use tell me and I understand intentionally, you're doing more than just having a conversation. You're building trust, showing emotional intelligence, and creating an environment where the other person feels genuinely connected to you. The next time you're talking to someone you're interested in, try these phrases. Say them with sincerity and watch how the interaction deepens. Sometimes it's the smallest shifts in how we communicate that make the biggest difference. If you found this helpful and want more insights into creating meaningful connections, stick around, there's more to come. Now, over to you. Who are you going to try this with first? Let me know how it goes. For more insights into human psychology and relationships, subscribe to our channel for engaging and informative content.